Let me see the red one.
This one's a red one.
You want to count?
What?
What number is it?
9.
Count.
9.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now do it in Spanish.
No. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. That is 9. You want to do the blue one? Okay. What number is that? 10. 10 is a 1 and a
0.
1 and a 0. Okay, count in English. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
you missed one. That should be 10. Count in Spanish. Ready?
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.